Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Five Nights at Freddy's on the ukulele. First, let's cover the essential chords. Many iconic FNAF tunes use just a few basic chords like a minor, C, G, and F. Mastering these will give you a strong foundation. We'll also look at simple strumming patterns to capture that eerie atmosphere. Understanding how to read basic chord diagrams is key to getting started quickly. Now let's tackle a specific melody, like the iconic Toreador March, often heard in the game. This involves precise finger placement on the fretboard to hit each note clearly. Practice slowly at first, ensuring each note rings out. Gradually increase your speed, using a metronome to keep your timing steady. Aim for a smooth, connected sound as you move between notes. To truly capture the Five Nights at Freddy's vibe, let's add some dynamics. Try palm muting to create a muffled, suspenseful sound, especially during quieter sections. Vary your strumming from soft to loud to build tension. Experiment with slight tempo changes, speeding up for jump scares or slowing down for eerie moments. These small adjustments make a big difference in your performance. Consistent practice is crucial for improvement. Try to dedicate at least 15 minutes every day to your ukulele. Recording yourself playing can help you pinpoint areas that need more attention. Don't be afraid to explore online tutorials and tablature for more Five Nights at Freddy's songs. There are many arrangements available, from simple to more complex, to keep your learning journey exciting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.